problems that you will be able to solve. To introduce myself, my name is Erik Costlow. I was one of the principal product managers in Oracle for the launch of Java 8 and have a very good understanding of the core JDK and everything that wraps it. My background is in software security, software program analysis, and a lot of relevant business consulting experience. And regarding code, I tend to focus on the why of why is this code written, what's important, what's the use case, and what are we trying to solve with it. Now let's lay out the logical flow to walk through all of these topics. The location that we're going to start is in the beginning with the role of data preprocessing. What is the data that we're going to look at? How are we going to evaluate it? And then we'll move into basic data analysis, covering the types of problems and the capabilities within JDK that you can use to solve them. Then we'll go forward to apply some basic analysis techniques, talk about some tools that you can use, and move a little further into statistical techniques where we'll do more focus on algorithms. And finally, no data analysis course would be complete without talking about SQL and NoSQL in terms of where that data can be stored and retrieved. The prerequisites for these videos are a core knowledge of Java programming, an understanding of how to compile software, how to write it, and how to modify it. And then the ability to focus on the root of problems, or what is it that we're trying to solve. And I always like to learn knowledge that's relevant to me, where I have some particular usage that I'm trying to solve. So focus on what opportunities that you have to apply some different analysis techniques to problems associated with what you're doing. After taking this course, you should have an applicable knowledge of a lot of different analysis problems and a good understanding of the core JDK 8 and JDK 9 APIs, because we'll cover some different tools for memory management that are not well known outside of OpenJDK, and a lot of statistical techniques in the core JDK and a lot of relevant libraries. And with that, we'll move forward into the beginning video and talk about the purpose of data analysis.